So we have traveled all around the world. We came to India. Now I would request all of you to please take a step forward and reach our beautiful Purulia. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an enchanting journey through the tales of Purulia, where each story is woven with threads of tradition and cultural richness. Today, we embark on a musical odyssey featuring soul stirring songs and dances by our beautiful students. These melodies resonate within the vibrant landscapes and diverse narratives of Purulia, capturing the essence of its people and their deep rooted heritage. As we delve into these tales, let the music transport you to the heart of Purulia, where every note is tribute to the region's rich history and artistic brilliance. So sit back, relax, let the tales of Purulia unfold through the captivating lyrics and melodies that have echoed through generations. Enjoy the magic of the dances and the songs, and let the spirit of Purulia fill the air as we celebrate the cultural treasures embedded in each song and each dance. To begin with, we have Gram Chhara Oi Ranga Matir Poth. Let the nostalgic notes of Gram Chhara Oi Ranga Matir Poth transport you to the serene landscapes of rural life, where the melody reflects the simplicity and beauty of everyday movements. So, please lend your ears to class 3 students.
গ্রাম ছাড়া ওই রাঙামাটির পথ আমার মন ভুলাই রে। গ্রাম ছাড়া ওই রাঙামাটির পথ আমার মন ভুলাই রে। ওরে কার পানে মোর হাত বাড়িয়ে, ওরে কার পানে মোর হাত বাড়িয়ে লুটিয়ে যায় ধুলাই রে। আমার মন ভুলাই রে। গ্রাম ছাড়া